Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Hour, and what we have here is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So this will just be a quick unboxing and just a quick view. I'm not going to bore you with too many specs, but here's just a few. It's a 6.8-inch screen, 1440 by 3088, 500 ppi. It's got 12 gigs of RAM, and this version has 512 gigabyte storage. Also has a 5000 milliamp battery and a 200 megapixel main camera. Also, it has Gorilla Glass Victus, and it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. So without further ado, let's just take a look at this. All right, there we go. And don't think there's much in the box. Here's just a little, oh, it's a little plastic. Do I get a chance to peel it? No, it just comes off that easy. Let's put it on here for a sec. Then it'll come in the box. Here we go. This is just the cable. The SIM rejection, and that's it. And as expected, no charger. And then your reader, it's pretty much, this is it. Ooh, feels kind of hefty actually, but a nice feel. So let me just peel this off. Go. There we go. And here it is. Nice. It's the first time I get my hand on it. So as you can see, the corners are flatter here. Here it's flatter. It's not as round as the 22 Ultra. You can see here, but it's very nice. So let me just put this down for a second. I'll spark it up. Okay, so let's spark this up. See if it has any juice. Here we go. Very nice. Here's the back. Very nice matte finish. I'll be making some comparisons with the S22 Ultra very soon. So let's start. We're gonna just agree to all. Restart your phone. Okay, so like I said, it's just a quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys the phone. It's a lot more square, and I'm gonna get this phone ready, and I'm gonna make some comparisons with the S22 Ultra as well. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll be really soon. Thank you.